Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, access forbidden in XAMPP server. IP address of the XAMPP server. Open XAMPP server computer. Open File Explorer. Open XAMPP control panel. Two module services are running. Stop Apache service. Click Config. Select Apache XAMPP CONF. Find phpMyAdmin. Remove local and type all granted. Save Notepad and exit. Start Apache service. Refresh the page. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.